Back to school season is here. Whether you're a busy mom, a teacher, or both like me, I've got you covered with my favorite school essentials. From lunchboxes and backpacks to water bottles and even a fun notepad. These finds will help you stay organized and stress-free. Let's jump in. First up is this Bentgo lunchbox. I love it because it's completely leak-proof and it fits perfectly inside the Bentgo lunch kit and backpack. The inside tray is removable, which makes it super easy to clean. No scrubbing those hard corners. The next one is from Target and it comes with a nice pack built right into the lid. The inside is stainless steel, which makes it perfect for hot lunches like pizza or burgers. It's not plastic, which I love for health reasons. And just like the Bentgo, the inside is removable for quick washing. I always keep a Thermos food jar on hand. This one is great for picky eaters who don't like cold food. It keeps things like mac and cheese, soups, chicken nuggets, or even a cold salad at the right temperature. Total lifesaver. This little container is perfect for crackers, mini cookies, or berries. I got it from the Canadian Superstore, and it's the ideal size for snack time at school. I always go for metal water bottles because they're healthier and they keep water cold all day. I usually add a few ice cubes, and even in the Texas heat, my kiddos' water stays fresh until pickup time. Now let's look at the Bentgo lunch kit. It easily attaches to the Bentgo backpack, and I love how roomy it is. It fits the lunchbox perfectly. Plus, there's still space for a fruit, snack, or even a napkin and fork. Moving on the Bentgo backpack, this one is great for kids aged 4 and up, even up to 3rd grade. It's spacious, well-structured, and matches the lunch kit and box for a complete look. The extra compartments help keep everything organized, which I really appreciate. As a mom and a teacher, I love writing things down to stay organized. I found this fun clipboard notepad at Hobby Lobby. It's perfect for quick reminders, classroom notes, or even for kids to doodle on during homework time. Super cute and functional. All the products I shared in this video are linked down in the description below if you're interested in checking them out. I'd love to hear how you organize your back to school routine. Let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more parenting tips, classroom hacks, and fun finds. See you all very soon.